Do you have your very own personal board of directors? Sounds fancy, but I assure you it's very organic and down to earth. Sounds elevated, and I can assure you that throughout my life, my own personal board of directors have indeed lifted me up. Now, you get to select your own board of directors. They don't get to decide your compensation. There are no governance discussions. There are no regularly scheduled meetings. There are no minutes to be read. In fact, up to you. They may not even know that they are on your board of directors. But they are your go-to people. These are the people with whom you have conversations when you face life's difficulties, when you have complicated decisions to make, when you have opportunities to explore and you just don't know which way to go. These are the people with whom you have conversations. There are criteria to be on your board of directors. Must be people you trust. Must be people who know you well. Preferably, it is a diverse background, so you have the advantage of that multicultural, multidimensional experience when you are making decisions. Must be people in whom you have confidence, and must be people who can keep confidence. Now, it is up to you. You don't have to have the same board decision to decision. You can pick and choose who you want to talk to depending upon the situation. I will tell you this, my own experience with my own board of directors. As much as I value their advice and input, I also value the time spent with them because I hear myself talking, explaining the situation, explaining the options, and in that voice there is real truth for me because I am talking to people who I trust and in whom I have confidence. Your own personal board of directors, your own advisory council, your own community. And when life is easy and when life is difficult, we need community. If you like this, hit that like button. Please share and subscribe. I offer individual coaching on career growth, leadership development, new leader mentorship, as well as workplace satisfaction. I also offer consulting on strategy development, cultural change, and team performance. If you're interested, my contact information is in the description. Thank you.